As someone who does not like traveling that much, doing a creator founder trip, or you can say boys trip, was always in the books. I was talking to Akshat, I was talking to Sahil, we made the plan, Shagnik said yes, and then at the end moments, Ritesh said yes too. Now these are 5 guys, every person running their own business, everyone being a creator, everyone with different connections. We came together, booked our tickets. Boys, Bali trip done?
Yes, boys.
किसका वेट है अभी?
क्या?
We are waiting on Sanko, Akash and Shagnik.
Let's go, boys.
Yeah. All 3 creators, all 3 agency owners.
Agency owners.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Business owners first.
All 3 agency owners and then small creators, done. Booked a massive villa for 9 days, spent like 1.25 lakhs on it, and the trip started. First day we didn't really do much. We were traveling across Tanalot, we had food, and the guys were building connections because a lot of them didn't really meet each other. Of course, I knew all of them before. Akshat, what's up? We have साहिल भी है यहाँ पे. साहिल हिंदी में गाली बकता है, पता है गाइस तुमको. लेट्स सी, मैं मेरा एक समरसॉल्ट रिकॉर्ड कर लेता है यहाँ से. अबे ये वाली लाइट्स बहुत प्यारी लगती है भाई इसमें. सो आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग द फ्रेम्स आगे के लिए कि कैसा लगता है. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग शॉट्स उसके हिसाब से.
पॉडकास्ट व्हेन डू यू वांट टू डू?
कल परसों में करते हैं ब्रो, आराम से.
पॉडकास्ट में क्या बात होगा? आई एम वेरी
It's like business. So basically, Journey Club का the whole point is people who are building internet businesses,
हाँ
right, and who are creators as well.
हाँ
So people who built their business first, then became creators, or the other way around. And how are they doing it like different sides में. तो जैसे agencies में तो bro we have a lot.
हाँ.
मैं भी, अक्षत भी है, साहिल भी है. But then फिर you bring the YouTube side. ये fitness coach है. तो we can bring those types of businesses forward.
मेरे
इसमें
को 5 लाख चाहिए.
हैं?
5 लाख
किस चीज के लिए? तेरे लव हैंडल दिखाने के लिए. Second day was about waking up late and then going to Bali MMA to train jiu-jitsu. Ritesh and I, we did jiu-jitsu. Akshat already does MMA, and then Sahil and Shagnik had their first striking class. Right, day 2 in Bali.
ये क्या 16 है क्या सिग्मा का? Yeah, this is the one I have. You can try it एक बार.
Can I try it for a couple of vlogs? Sure. Because I'm not. I'm trying to do a day in a life of a founder, something like that.
Bro, इससे ज़्यादा कंटेंट को लेकर है ना, इसको देखा नहीं है मैंने. लाइक
But मैं अभी तक तो मैंने कुछ content
सकर फॉर कंटेंट ब्रो. कल रात को इतना फिल्म करा था. वी ऑलमोस्ट मिस डिनर बिकॉज ऑफ दीज टू.
because you gotta be like content creator mindset.
हाँ ब्रो, बट लाइक यू वोंट सर्वाइव इफ यू डोंट ईट.
But that's like eating is secondary. Content.
तू बता अक्षत, कल पूरे शेड्यूल की माँ नहीं कर दी थी क्या इन्होंने? कम ऑन ब्रो, वी वर सफरिंग. लाइक तेरे को पता नहीं हमारा मूड कितना खराब हो गया था.
But you lack the discipline in content mindset.
That's how you are big.
बॉयज डे 2 आज का क्या प्लान है?
Record नहीं किया मैंने.
मैं कर रहा हूँ ना उसमें.
Oh, अच्छा, sorry. फिर से retake.
नहीं, इसी में बता. वो कट नहीं होगा वहाँ पे.
ला दे. ये सॉर्ट हो गया, सेट हो गया.
आज क्या कंटेंट रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है तू?
आज मैं 2 रील्स रिकॉर्ड करूंगा. एक मेरे अब्बू के बारे में है और एक इट्स अबाउट हाउ आई एम फेलिंग इन थिंग्स बट आई एम वर्किंग वे अप बिकॉज आई एम फेलिंग फास्ट लर्निंग फास्ट वो वाला रील. सो दो आफ्टर आई एम डन विद दिस वर्क आई एम गोना डू दैट.
But I still think exposure is too much.
नो एक्सपोजर.
ये शागनिक बताओ ऐसा है, ये he doesn't let us near him when he is filming. तो ये थोड़ा सैडिस्टिक सा बंदा है भाई. बॉयज इधर सिर्फ बी रोल रिकॉर्ड करता है हर कोई पूरे दिन. लाइक काम करने से ज़्यादा लोग यहाँ पे बी रोल रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. ये बंदे ने पूरा इधर का सेटअप चेंज करा दिया जस्ट फॉर अ बी रोल.
करना पड़ता है ब्रो, क्रिएटर हो ना, बिजनेसमैन तो क्रिएटर.
Oof. Like bro, wait. Like we expect to hear the other thing, like the other way. Okay, I'm a businessman first and then a creator.
But I think we want to be creators at heart.
Really?
No, you don't. At heart I'm talking about. Not practical.
अभी not yet, I think.
I think I genuinely want to be a creator, like explore the artistic side of me that I feel a few months back.
And in an ideal scenario, what would that be?
Me making videos that would break the internet.
For example, give me one idea that you have had but you never executed on.
Jumping from a plane from I don't know, like flight with me and just sharing his experience of life in a podcast.
While you are in the air.
Yeah, that's like something that would.
Bro, isn't he gonna like fear for his life?
Why would he fear? He's a fucking prime minister, right?
But you know his age, right?
I don't think so. कितना है उसका मेरे को नहीं पता. 50, 70.
Bro, he's pushing a lot.
He's pushing a lot क्या? फिर तो something like less.
अभी हट जाओ भाई, सक्षम इधर आ जाओ.
Give me one idea that you film with him.
With him.
With
You want me to?
With him. That would break
that
the
I
internet.
can't say. That will go in our OnlyFans.
Oh, so that's what you guys were recording yesterday. ठीक है सर.
Yes, sir.
And एक चीज है bro, equally ground पे जाके सबकी height same ही होती है.
If you're a short king, you're never a short king.
Makes sense. Lionel Messi.
Yes, yes sir.
क्या हुआ? इतनी देर से यही लगा रहा है यार. क्या हो गया भाई?
Okay, so my perspective, people like him who run a 100k business in USD every month are afraid to charge 7.5k INR for a consultation call. Whereas me, who makes 26k a month, not even in profit, just revenue, I charge close to 40 to 50k a month for one-on-one consultation. Now, people like this are the exact reason why people
give back to the
in
society,
why
man, in
in
some
the
way
Indian
or form,
community don't value others' time.
Build business,
like,
right?
People like this are actually harming us, right? And Saksham agrees with it at the back of the camera.
Yeah, because you're not making money with your business.
Yeah,
Make money
no,
with your
I'm-
business.
I'm making
I
well.
know, grow your
I'm
scale
making
your
good.
business,
I'm just
right?
making good money with my business. Otherwise,
Ah.
I wouldn't be sitting here
I
in
don't
the
know,
exact
obviously.
room with all the people.
My theory is that I think we all should give back to the society.
I mean, giving back, you can give back in other ways, right? You don't need to directly give back your time to others. And now not
But
charge
most
for
people
it.
do
no,
it,
because
right?
I have a perspective. If somebody is paying 7.5k to you for one-on-one consultation, he or she might not be that serious. Whereas if someone has paid
that's something-
like 60 to 70k, his ass is
Yeah,
on the line that
true.
he has to make it work. So he's gonna actually do and implement all
I've
of
never
the things.
done consultations right before,
So
so
it
I'm
doesn't
still
matter.
learning.
I
right?
did not do consultation as well. My lowest ticket offer was 30k.
I want one-liners from both of you. है ना?
Huh.
You, Shagnik, you tell why you should not be charging money or why you're not charging money for it. And Sahil will, give his counter statement. But I only need one-liners from you. And I only need mic drop moments.
Free education.
Okay? Wait.
Education for all.
Bro, abhi ruk to ja.
Sorry.
So, you say why you don't want to get paid for this, and you say why it's harming, or like you just counter the argument and prove to the people why you are right.
Okay.
Okay. So I feel that education should be free of cost to all, if it makes sense.
And this is the guy why most people, this is the guy who's the reason for most people not valuing other people's time.
But that's something different, right? That's accountability.
No, that's not accountability. Like, you are the reason why people in the Indian community don't
I-
value other people's time who have
No, there's a story to it,
actually put
okay?
in effort for 3 to 5
No,
years
that's
or more than
bullcrap.
that to scale their actual businesses and then, compile all the knowledge and give it in a 1-hour call.
But that's not mic drop, right?
So, I don't think कि इससे ज़्यादा और कुछ need है.
है यार मेरे को मेरा story
My
बताने दो.
whole game was to start their beef. है ना?
fuck, man.
And I didn't want anything else.
So for me, the thing is that I feel if when I was like making like 40,000 rupees a month, I couldn't afford a consultation call which is worth more than 30k, right? It's pointless. Financially, it doesn't make sense. To me. Arey bhai, I had fees to pay, bills to pay, right?
I mean, if you're not ready to invest your entire life savings into something that's actually going to make you tens and thousands of dollars in the future, you're just not ready yet.
Yeah, but that's how you know कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है invest करने का. That is what I'm trying to say.
So then that person is not the right fit for you, right? Because if you
I mean, that's right.
like put
Yeah.
it into perspective, if you actually want to scale a 10,000 scale to a business which makes $10,000+ a month, and you're afraid of spending 40k, उतना तो हम लोग month पे software पे ही खर्चा करते हैं.
हाँ,
तो
easily.
You're just not ready yet. That is what I tell to any guy who tells me कि your thing is not worth it, or I don't think it's worth it for this much amount or something like that.
26,000 MRR has more clarity than me, so whatever. Like.
No, I feel like it's not about missing clarity, but I feel like Shagnik lacks the confidence right now.
Yeah.
Even though he runs
I've
a
never done.
bigger business than all three of us combined here. I
Because
think
how do
that's
you
true.
charge money for it? Like free, like for consultation, right? But still, that is why I'm learning from you guys, right? अब मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ मेरे को इंटर्नशिप दे दो ऑफिस में.
You give us 5 lakhs and I'll pay you for internship.
25k per month. কত দিন চলবে? 5 months.
What 20?
I'll get paid 25K
No,
a month,
5
right?
lakhs a month. You give him and then I give you an internship. When you do work for me.
These people are so cheap, I tell you. Like, what the fuck is this, man?
मेरे को इन लोगों जितना फॉर्मल नहीं रखना, ठीक है. माई होल थिंग इज कि हाउ कैन आई मेक पीपल अराउंड मी फाइट, है ना, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स लाइक एंड ऑफ द डे इट क्रिएट्स स्ट्रॉन्गर बॉन्ड्स. कम ऑन.
Bro, whose glass was that? Why did I drink it from that? This is my glass.
Shagnik basically smooth someone.
Hello.
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 Say hi.
Bro. Say hey. Hi.
What's your name?
Dodi.
Dodi.
Yeah.
He got us the PS5.
Yeah.
Sahil has been dying for it.
And he's giving us a discount because we are all famous.
Oh, you're giving us a discount?
Connected, done.
Yes.
Now Ritesh and I, we trained weights almost every day after jiu-jitsu. We took all of the guys after their MMA training, did weights together, got them into the sauna and then got them into the ice bath. Okay, Bali MMA bro, कैसे?
Go.
How's the experience?
Crazy, insane, bro. Love it. Shift होने का सोच रहा हूँ मैं.
One new thing happened, right? This guy here, he tried MMA for the first time, bro. How was it?
Crazy. I need to learn MMA ASAP. Got the adrenaline rush. I think this is a MMA injury.
Oh,
It's got
injury?
black, yeah. So the
Battle
coach-
scar?
इधर ऐसे करके, हाँ, battle scar.
We also have Sahil here, bro. How was training MMA?
Bro, mad crazy. I'm enrolling as soon as I go back. Plus, the adrenaline and everything, especially training weights after MMA is crazy.
Yeah?
Feelings totally different. So yeah.
This is Bali MMA. So we trained grappling there. And then right now, right in front of it, there's the weight section. And then after that, we just went to a mad dinner place and we went to bed.
So you talk to her. Tell her that.
कैसा रहा भैया?
15 मिनट हो जाए.
I think the best day yet. At least.
It's second day and already the best day for now. So a lot of things to come. Yeah.
So I was awake until 6 a.m. I was talking to Shagnik and Ritesh. ये जल्दी सोने चला गया था.
But I couldn't sleep because they were yapping too much.
Yeah. So we were yapping outside, like near the pool, and उनका कमरा वहीं पर ही है.
आप रूम शुरू करोगे ना तो
It happened, and then I went to bed at what 6:15. Then I woke up at 12. 11:45 पे I woke up, घर पे बात करी, and then नीचे आ गए. फिर we worked a lot. Sort of good amount of content
शुरू हो जाएगा.
Journey
For
club
the journey.
launch भी हो ही गया. But we are yet to launch the
शुरू हो जाएगा.
promotion like story में.
मीटिंग शुरू
So we'll do that.
कॉपी कर
And we are waiting on a PS5 to Shagnik और साहिल की bet लगी है. And we won't disclose the bet yet. But yeah, it's a high stakes वाला bet
चीज़ें थोड़ी
on
बता देता हूँ.
few games of FIFA. And उसके बाद में we decide. So one of the main agenda for today was to go to Bali MMA and train. तेरा कैसा experience है?
Too good, bro. I mean, like I've trained after a week or so, and it has been insane. Good people, good vibes, good gym.
Yeah. So we went to Bali MMA. Shagnik, Sahil and Akshat, ये लोग MMA किए. Ritesh and I we went for jiu-jitsu. Did a good amount of rolls. सब कुछ किया and then we did sauna. फिर हमने around 10-12 मिनट तक we were in the
Cold plunge.
cold plunge में थे हम लोग. And then we changed up. Now we are
Dopamine rushed. We are feeling all the hormones here and there.
like
and we are
this is
feeling good.
probably the most fulfilled I've felt
in a long time.
in a long time.
It's like, like we work so hard, alone in the corner of our rooms, and we used to watch people on the YouTube and we were like, okay, this is the life that we want, and finally being able to do that with all the like-minded folks over here feels surreal. So really, really happy and grateful, to be very honest.
I mean, the best part about the entire trip is the fact around how collaborative everyone is. Because अगर किसी को भी थोड़ा सा भी help चाहिए, everyone is like कि हाँ मैं बता मैं करता हूँ help तेरी यहीं पे. So because of that, the whole experience got like a lot better. तू बता भाई. हाँ. ट्रिप कैसा रहा भाई तेरा?
So it's like a complete workation thing until now. We work until the end of the day and then we find something that is like really
Different
and unique and then we try it. So like today we went to Bali MMA and it was crazy.
How was the gym for you? You loved it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Because you're a fitness trainer, so like give us your
It was
technical thoughts.
strength-based gym, mostly like compound lifts and all you can do there because people there do MMA, like complete martial arts. So like it's like great gym, best gym in Bali, and they have this like other gym is their Soma Fight Club and this Bali MMA is also there, but I found Bali MMA better as compared to Soma Fight Club because I've heard it from many people. That's why we went there and we asked people there as well. People were so supportive.
We have one guy from Bali MMA training
Bali,
with us at Peter.
and people are so supportive there as well. Like Bali is much better than Thailand because people are so nice. They are pretty much grateful that other people come here.
Yeah.
Unlike like other places like India, like especially Goa.
And इसने deals भी close करी आज तो.
आज तो like मैंने 2 client close करे हैं. Offer like
Let's go.
To people. And I think एक जो main चीज़ का difference यहाँ पे है ना भाई, we are so anxious about recording in public India में. यहाँ पे we are at this good place, right? We are at this place, everyone is chilling, and now हम बस लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं and we are just recording content in public. Like no one gives two shits यहाँ पे. Even we are feeling like कि भाई ये तो बहुत chill है. Yeah, so अगर मैं अकेला होता I could never do it. For sure. But लोग साथ में तो I can film as well and
I think Osmo also made life a bit easier.
Yeah.
Because it's very small, so people do not kind of stare at you. And quality is great as well. So I think
तेरे को लग रहा है क्या तू खरीदेगा तो
Yeah, I want to buy this 100%. Because this just makes because bro, like तो समझ रहा है because we are so busy in our businesses, right? For us to be able to set up a complete camera, setting the exposure aperture is absolutely fucked up, and that is why we haven't been able to document our journeys frequently enough. With this, I feel so effortless, bro, because I am not even anxious and nervous because it's so tiny. It's like you're not holding anything. You're just talking and it's insane. I'm gonna buy it and I'm gonna document my life on YouTube specifically because even if it is boring, but it's effortless for me at least. देखो यार starting के अंदर
comes with a tripod, no?
Yeah.
That you can
वो
just put
creator set में tripod आता है सारा.
Yeah, like you can just put it somewhere and then you're done. You can do your
follow
stuff.
भी करता है ये तो. It's great. Follows you.
great camera.
और वो कल तो था, it fell down and then वो collapse हो गया अंदर.
Yeah, it's like it had the safety feature where gimbal is not broken.
Awesome.
So overall like good experience. Like we still have what 13 more days left.
13 more days, boys.
मजा आ जाएगा. Let's go.
So like it's, I'll tell you, if you see Dragon Ball Z, the movements he was showing, left jab, ऐसे करके uppercut.
0.0001% हुए हैं.
तेरा एक्चुअल में हिट होने लगेगा ना
जब वो now those things hit, अभी तो
अभी यहाँ starting है ना.
जिजित्सु भी तू शुरू करेगा ना तेरे को 6 महीना लगेगा. व्हाट द फक इज गोइंग ऑन.
बहुत मुश्किल
क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं?
समझने
कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा bro.
Jiu-jitsu के rules and stuff.
stretches.
So dumb लोग, मेरे को वो ग्रूव ही समझ नहीं आ रहा था जंपिंग. उसको समझने में 10 मिनट लग गया ऑलमोस्ट.
यू आर ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व.
बोला तो
Boxing is easier to understand and get into.
फॉर नॉलेज वर्कर्स.
हाँ.
You are constantly solving. You are constantly solving.
That's why you will find like a lot of intellectuals, business owners doing jujutsu later on in life.
ऐसा मार्क ज़करबर्ग.
By you take Lex Friedman, you take Jocko Willink, you take Russell Brand, you take Tom Hardy. He's a black belt.
He black belt and he did it. He did a sparring session with Mark Zuckerberg. It's live on his channel.
That's why मेरा जो client है ना, वो जो he that owns the franchisee of a lot of gyms. He also told me कि like once you start going and training MMA now, gym का craze भी चला जाता है almost. It's like very addictive.
Very addictive चला जाता है, but you have
Because now you
It's like
have.
a game, right?
It's a second infinite game that you play.
लेवल होता है उसका.
अभी नहीं तो पहले पहले से
शायद हाँ.
क्या हो रहा है रितेश?
यार अभी से उल्टा पड़ रहा है.
अक्षत रेफ जैसे बैठा टेनिस का होता है ना वैसे.
अक्षत आग लगा रहे दोनों के बीच.
हाँ. अक्षत बहुत घटिया है भाई.
कितना नीच गलीच हो सकता है. प्रूव कर दिया ना, एंड ऑफ द डे मर्दी है.
भाई अक्षत कितना गलीच हो सकता है.
Now what going to happen is Akshay is going to fuck both of them in that. एक को अलग अलग.
एक चीज़ जो मैं बाद में रियलाइज हुई, इट वॉज दैट आवर विला वॉज एक्चुअली टू फार अवे फ्रॉम द प्लेसेज वेर वी वांटेड टू गो. बट अगेन हमने अब हफ्ते भर का बुक कर लिया था तो वी कुड रियली डू नथिंग. Day 3 was chill. We traveled across Canggu, had great food, went clubbing, we partied a lot, and first time talking to a lot of strangers for me. अब ये स्टोरी डाल देते हैं भाई जर्नी की. प्लीज.
क्या स्टोरी? इसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा.
अरे वी हैव टू पुट अवर स्टोरी की द जर्नी क्लब लॉन्च.
कैमरा गया यार
आज लॉन्च है.
नहीं ये तेरा है ना पीछे.
हाँ हाँ.
Are these the creators you look up to? यही वो लोग हैं क्या जिनसे इंस्पिरेशन लेते हो तुम? हैं?
पहली बार वाली है पकड़ रहा है.
Shut up, bro. That is where you add cards.
ये क्या हुआ भाई अभी? हाँ भाई रितेश, ये क्या हुआ अभी?
बच्चों की तरह लड़ रहे हैं एक दूसरे के साथ.
If he can book a grab with that cash.
रितेश ने एग पराठे बनाए देखो भाई.
एक पराठे के साथ एक पराठा. अरे व्हाट द फक हैपेंड इनसाइड दिस.
ब्रो कैंसर है उसको.
अरे ये खराब है अंडा.
क्या है?
उसको कैंसर है.
दिस अंडा इज खराब.
And then after that, business issues started to happen. Stay tuned for the next one.